back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I've got some work done on this. I've got video on it, but my GoPro, I don't know what's up with you. You're pissing me off. The audio is all jacked up. It's working now. I took some video and made sure the audio is good on it. It's fine. I have a bunch of video I really can't even use because the audio is just complete trash. I sound like a transformer. I don't know why, but yeah, so I might use some of the video from the last few videos I've taken. I might squeeze some stuff in there just for time lapse, but there's literally no usable audio. So anyways, let me give you guys a quick update of what's been going on since you're not going to see a lot of the stuff that's happened. Let me get my flashlight. You can see I got new accessory bushings all the way up and down. See the bottom down there? There's a couple on the back side too. So all accessory bushings are new. We got that knocked out. I also put in from the Rec 745 Turbo, I put in the engine mounts from that because these are heavy duty engine mounts, both sides. Here's the ones I took off. They were still in a decent shape, but you know what? I already had them. Why not swap them out? I'll hold on to these. They're still usable. They're not too bad, but this one's got some cracks in it. It's not horrible. I've seen worse. They're still in one piece. You can also see I got the water pump on. I got the timing belt all done. Crank pulleys on. Pretty much everything on the front of the motor is back together. Obviously, I still got to put the radiator and intercooler back in, but that's all easy stuff. That'll take me like 10 minutes. But what I'm going to be doing here on this video, I'm going to get underneath the car. I'm going to swap out the transmission mount. I was going to take the transmission mount off the Rec 744 Turbo, but while I was at the junkyard, I don't know, like a month and a half ago, pulling the interior out of a 740 wagon and put into this, there was a mount sitting on the seat, brand spanking new. So I'm just going to use this. No point in getting underneath that car right now. Let's get under the car and get this mount out. So let me get the light down there. I'll get you guys set up. What we're going to do is we're going to replace this mount right here. There's a mount right here, and I'll start tearing into this. But right now I'm going to concentrate on getting this mount done because, I mean, it's probably all right, but I don't want to find out. So pretty much what I got to do is I'm going to have to get the jack on this. I'll get a block of wood and we'll take the tension off this and support this so I can take this transmission cross member out. And the shifter bushings are pretty trash. There's literally nothing left here. I think I have some bushings laying around somewhere. This is loose. This bushing's still there. This bushing's gone. Look at you guys in here so you can see. So if you guys look here, there we go, get some light. If you guys look here, you see these bushings? They are completely just, it's not supposed to be that loose. This too, this one's pretty, the bushing's still there, but it's pretty shot. So we'll take care of that too. I'm just gonna have to find the bushings. They're somewhere. One more thing, everyone. I forgot to show you this. The frame here, I rust mortared it and everything. I still gotta clean it, but it's been rust mortared, so there's no rust on it, but I need to clean this up and degrease it and everything, and then give it a coat of primer and some paint, and then it'll be done. But I already ground it down and treated it with rust mort. Tight. Not coming out. Okay. Got my breaker, guys. This is a jack handle. All right, here we go. Yeah. There's one. Here's the old transmission mount. Good thing I'm replacing it because watch this. I can move it with my hand. It's got play in it with my hand, so yeah. She's due for a change. So let's, these are probably, I'm guessing 13? No, those ain't 13s. What size are those? What do you guys think those are? 12s? I think they're 12s. I think that's it too. dirt. Caked with dirt. Oh my God. So much dirt. All right, let's get this new mount back in. Well, this only goes one way. It ain't gonna go in the wrong way. So we have a new leak here, everyone. My fuel system that I worked on, we got a leak here. The end of the pipe's like down here. I mean, I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'm gonna take this off and see what's going on. And it looks like I have a little leak right here, but that's easy. I just need to snug that up, that's all. So I don't know. It wasn't leaking before. It literally just started leaking because I was under here working on it. And all of a sudden I smelled fuel. But whatever. Something else to fix. Put you guys back a little further. What you hear? I'm gonna investigate. I'm gonna pull this off and see what we got. All right, I see this bearing here. Or this bushing. I mean, it's not ripped actually. It needs to be replaced, but it's definitely not ripped. Oh yeah, this bushing's done. You can see the backside, it's really bad. I mean, it's still one piece, but like it's rusting. The frame for the bushing is rusting, and the rubber's starting to flake away back here. So yeah, it's a good thing I got a new one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it with PB Blaster and come back to it. I might even just do it tomorrow. I really don't feel like messing with it right now, so let's just soak her down. All right, we're gonna let that soak. We'll probably come back to that tomorrow, guys. That's really tight. I don't feel like destroying a knuckle or anything right now. Just not in the mood for it. Okay, so we got the transmission mount replaced. I got the drive shaft flange nuts soaking in PB Blaster. I'm gonna get back to that tomorrow. I'm gonna let that penetrate really well because it was super, super tight. I think it's time to get the alternator back in, everyone. Let's get this alternator back in. So you guys see, I got the alternator rebuilt. Alternator's in, guys. We've got an alternator. I forgot the oil cooler. I gotta take off the other car. It's pitch black outside now, and I'm not going out there. I'll get eaten alive by mosquitoes. It's been warm. It's been warm the last couple days. It was in the 60s yesterday. No, it wasn't in the 60s. It was in the 50s yesterday. Day before that, it was in the 60s. Today, it was like 67. Tomorrow's supposed to be like 67. So the mosquitoes are out in full force. Oil cooler off the Rec 744 Turbo because I'm not using that factory oil cooler because I don't trust those lines. I can't put any of this back in until I have that oil cooler. Totally forgot. Anyways, but yeah, we got the alternator back in, everyone. We got the transmission mount done. I got the drive shaft bolts soaking in PB Blaster. We got engine mounts in, accessory bushings in, water pumps in, timing belts in. The gaskets and the seals that I'm waiting on for the turbo should be here Monday. They got caught up in all that weather. I ordered this stuff like a week and a half ago, but it's coming from the West Coast from IPD, so I understand. I'm not mad. So we got a good amount of work done the last few days, everyone. I'm waiting on a couple more parts. Tomorrow we're gonna get the oil cooler out of the 744 Turbo. I just totally forgot to pull that oil cooler out. If I would have had it out, I could throw the rest of this together right now, but I'm not going out there because to get that oil cooler off, I need to drain the oil and I need to take all my old oil to the dump. The dump here, they have an oil container you can put your oil in. They got a container for your antifreeze. It's pretty awesome, actually. I think that's gonna do it for tonight. We'll get back to work on it tomorrow. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.